A light year is actually a unit of distance used to measure vast astronomical distances, particularly on interstellar scales. It's not explicitly used for measuring distances between planetary bodies within a single solar system, but rather for measuring distances between stars, galaxies, and other cosmic entities. A light year is defined as the distance that light travels in 1 year through a vacuum. Since light is the fastest thing in the universe, with a speed of approximately 299,792,458 meters per second, or about 186,282 miles per second, it can cover enormous distances in a very short amount of time. To understand how a light year is formed, let's break it down. 1. Speed of light. The speed of light is the constant speed at which electromagnetic radiation, including visible light, travels in a vacuum. This speed is approximately 299,792,458 meters per second. 2. Time period. A year is the time it takes for Earth to complete one orbit around the Sun. This is approximately 365.25 days, accounting for the extra day in a leap year. When you combine these two factors, you get the concept of a light year. Distance equals speed of light times time period, in seconds. Distance equals 299,792,458 meters per second times 365.25 days times 24 hours per day times 3,600 seconds per hour. When you calculate this, you find that a light year is approximately 9.461 trillion kilometers, about 5.878 trillion miles. This incredible distance highlights how vast the universe is and how immense the distances between celestial objects can be. Remember that light years are used because the distances in space are so enormous that using more common Earth-based measurements like kilometers or miles becomes impractical. The light year provides a convenient and comprehensible way to express these cosmic distances.
This is woxiwo YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. See you again with another valuable video. Thank you.